Dan, Naphtali, Gad, and Asher, Issachar, Zebulun, Joseph, and Benjamin. These are the sons of Jacob. These are the sons of Jacob. These are the sons of Jacob. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sons of Jacob. Reuben, Simeon, Levi, Judah, Dan, Naphtali, Gad, and Asher, Issachar, Zebulun, Joseph, and Benjamin. These are the sons of Jacob. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sons of Jacob.
You Christians have a major identity crisis and have divorced yourselves from God, the Father, Abba Yah, by playing the harlot. You don't know that there is no separate program for a Christian church, nor is there a pre-trib rapture for an adulterous, filthy harlot Jezebel bride, drunk on pride. The promises of Abba Yah are to the seed of Abraham. The God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob declares in Malachi 3:6 that he is the Lord Jehovah and he changes not. Therefore ye sons of Jacob are not consumed. Judah is one tribe. The southern kingdom, the house of Judah, that was two tribes, Judah and Benjamin. The 10 lost tribes, the scattered tribes who Yeshua Messiah came for, they've been scattered to the four corners, but so has the filth of mystery Babylon, scattered to the four corners until the end days when the elect, a remnant according to the election of grace, would rise up, as it says in Romans 11. The 10 tribes scattered after Solomon's death were divorced by God for spiritual adultery. The same type of pagan nonsense that this Christian church does today. Christmas and Easter got the northern kingdom divorced by God. And Paul says in Romans chapter 11 that if the Gentiles converting to be followers of the way, the early Christians, if they do the same thing that the northern kingdom did, as it says in Romans 11:22, they also shall be cut off. Many are rising up in these last days. Many more are falling away.